It's working.
Don't worry about it.
I'm losing my video.
We're giving the go. Cross 30. Cross 30. You're going to hear. Now entering here from Huntington Station, New York, please welcome the Walt Whitman High School Marching Band. Blah, 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 blah. Walk through the saloon doors. You're going to go right up to the podium, okay? Get into a warm-up, which we might do. The announcer's going to read Walt Whitman 20,000 Parts Field Shows entitled One. When the band is okay? So here's how this is going to work, Jeremy. So see, there's going to be a chief judge.
I don't know that part.
The moment that you see that everyone's ready, right? Guard, band, everyone. You're going to go to the chief judge, and we're going to be dealing with you, and he's going to look, he's going to point to the box, right? That's when you do detail a 10 hut, turn around, and whatever you do your salute. Jeremy, the moment the salute happens, that's when you start, okay? Anything I'm missing? Familiar with that?
The salute should be like this. Like if she's wearing like a...
Ooh.
Or like a...
She should get a hat.
She should what?
She should get a hat.
Do the detail of them. Up. Yep.
Detail! Attack! Hut!
Man, that's where you go to set. Go to standby.
Make it snappy! Left into right.
Go, Lexi.
Detail! Attack! Hut! Snap!
Lexi, turn around. Just do something like that. Just do this. Yeah! Now, once you're done, take off the shaker. Take off the shaker, and then do what you just did.
Okay.
Put the shaker down. Okay. And now Jeremy's gonna go. No. Take off the shaker, and then do.
I'm scared to hit this. No. It's because it's on my boot. Nope. How do I stop recording?
Chief Judge is going to be probably over here, and he's just going to look, and we'll probably get okay. So
what?
Here we go.
Detail! Attack! Hut!
Jeremy, you start. Lexi, go around and start.
Oops.
Talk about it. Talk about it.
There. Walt Whitman High School, you may now take the field in competition.
Five, 6, 7, 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rolled my ankle back here. Say hi.
I said the monkey flavor thing.
Hey y'all, I'm sweating. That was literally so cool. Do you want me to come out? Oh my god, you could just try it. I don't really care. Group seats?
Oh, she said through the door. It's awkward.
Why did you run around?
Yeah.
Why would you run around?
I don't know. Lost the count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
you're gonna have to handcuff me and put me on my knees, and you're gonna take me and then go back. Improv.
Next set.
Yeah. Get ready.
Not right now.
Yeah.
Go. Ah! Handcuff! Wait. No, we did too early. It should have been that side.
I literally got on my knees.
It's 16.
That hurt.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh! Go.
And then stand in front.
Walk. What am I supposed to do?
Just stand in front, look at him. And now kneel down, and then down. And then hat on.
That kind of eat.
Okay. Hell yeah!
Oh, he just like spit so much. Say hi,
Turn it
Jordy.
off. Hey. Say hi to the lip.
Haley.